I don't know if you saw this one, Will, but apparently Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, maybe even YouTube on the chopping block in India.
Oh.
Did you see this one?
No.
So the government of India put out some new guidelines for the behavior of social media apps. Any app with a user base over a certain scale, they put out new guidelines as far as reporting is concerned, and also how those enterprises interact with the government. So they're saying you have to have a dedicated person. If we need something taken down fast that's dangerous or whatever, we got to have somebody exclusive that we reach out to. You need to have whatever. It's just systems for interfacing with the government that they want, that the government wants. And they put a timeline on these new rules. They said these new rules are going to go into effect. What did they say? May 25th? May to accept the 3-month deadline. They gave them 3 months by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, gave these huge corporations 3 months to accept the guidelines, which ends today, the time that we're filming this. And so far, they haven't accepted the guidelines. I think Facebook said they're going to, but I don't think the other ones did. Facebook, of course, that encompasses Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. But I don't think they've accepted it. I think they said they plan on it. Many of the others said, we need more time. Chill out. We got protocols. We got users. They were seeking an extension of up to 6 months, but now people are panicking. In fact, I was tagged on some tweets today from the Indian fan base. They were saying, I'm going to miss you on Twitter or something. I'm like, whoa, wait, what? What's going on here? I don't think that this is actually going to happen. For the record, I'm sure they're going to sort something out. It's way too many users that would be impacted. In fact, although India was that place that they cut ties with TikTok and the user base was there. So maybe if there's a place it could happen, that could be it. But this might just be too many. I don't know. When you're talking about, let me just give you some of the numbers on how many users for each of these apps. So WhatsApp has 530 million users in India. YouTube has 448 million users. Facebook, 410 million users. Instagram, 21 million users. And actually, Twitter is at the bottom of that with, 17.5 million. I'm having to do the conversion in my head because these are common terms used for numbers in India. Crore and lakh. You guys don't know anything about this. Like, you can't tell me what 60 lakh users is. You can't tell me that. Or 1.75 crore, if I'm even saying that correctly.
Google can.
That's the only reason I knew. I Googled it up because I had kept seeing those terms frequently, so I looked it up. So, yeah, it's 1 crore is 10 million.
Yes.
Yeah. And 1 lakh is 100,000.
Oh, there you go.
You got to stay up on it, Will. Yeah. Keep it together. Anyway, so that's just too many users for me. You can't cancel all these things all at once. The people are going to be a little bit upset about that. So we'll have to wait and see who they might make an example, though. Maybe they'd be like, all right, we're not going to cut all you, but, Twitter, you're done. And then the other ones are like, whoa, they really did it. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how concerned people actually are, but I guess it's a threat at the moment, and the deadline is nearing.